Konnichiwa, Tiffanyika this. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you guys my everyday spring makeup look. I've been obsessed with this look. Brightens up my face and I think it would suit a lot of different people. So before we get started, I do need to make coffee because I'm a little out of it today. It's the weekend, but let's do this. Okay, now I feel like I can officially start getting ready. I am going to start off with my face. I really like Japanese primers. This is the one that I've been recently using just because it makes my skin look so dewy. So I really like that. And I just focus this on my T-zone area. And since the weather is changing, I've switched up my base makeup as well. I'm using the Esprique CC cream instead of just a cushion foundation, just because I feel like this stays on a lot longer during the spring and summer. Especially during the spring and summer, I feel like I don't need too much coverage. In general, I'd rather focus on the sun protection, so I always look for like a BB cream or a CC cream that has SPF, but pretty much keep it as lightweight as possible. I definitely always need some concealer underneath my eyes, so I'm just gonna pop on a lighter shade. Instead of using a beauty blender, I actually like using a cushion, compact cushion, because it just gets more into the dark area underneath my eye. Okay, this is going to be your best friend during spring and summer. Eyebrow gel. Never knew I needed it until my eyebrows started moving around, especially when it gets hot. I want powder next, but the powder that I always use is in my work bag, so let me get that. Okay. This is the Canmake transparent finishing powder. I'm actually going to be using my favorite brushes to travel with recently. This is the Spicy Choco. It's such a tiny brush, but the feeling of it is so nice on your skin. I'm just going to pat where the concealer was and then my T-zone, because that's where I need the most help. Okay, I'm gonna move on into my eyes. How should I do this? I do this every day, yet when I turn on the camera, I somehow forget what I do. So I'm taking like a taupey, warm brown color onto my crease. Okay, I've done my base. Now, I have recently been obsessed with the stackable eyeshadows from Kaja. I got this a while ago and had other products I was trying out, so I didn't get around to it. I absolutely have been obsessed with this for the springtime. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. And then I take the second darkest color, which is more of like an orangey color, and then just darken up my outer V. I'm moving on into liquid liner. Sometimes I skip this step, especially like on the weekends, but today, since I might be taking some Instagram pics, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little cat eye. is not an eyeliner day. I have gone from a thin cat eyeliner look to a very thick, I don't usually wear this eyeliner this thick look because I keep messing up and I just keep overdrawing it. I think it might be the coffee kicking in. While the eyeliner is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring with my little contouring brush. I don't contour a lot, but sometimes when you take photos it looks better to contour just a little bit, so. I think I'm gonna use the Canmake blush that came out last spring. I absolutely love, love, love the spring collection from Canmake, so I decided to bring it out again. This is the blush brush from Spicy Choco. So pretty, I love this. Just so pretty and like girly, and I love it. Looks very spring-like. The last thing that I do on my face is highlighter. And then taking my little highlighter brush. And then I think the eyeliner is dry, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Okay, now it's usually the hardest part, or the only thing that changes in my makeup look, and that's the lip color. I have 2 drawers full of this to pick from, so I usually never know what I want. Okay, today I chose the Ofra lipstick in the color 05, Coral Pink. It's not too much of a pigmented color, but it's super, super glossy, girly, perfect for the springtime. I think that's it. Oh no, wait. Magic Potion, Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so that is pretty much all the steps to getting ready with me this spring. I've been obsessed with a lot of these products, so I will leave a list of everything that I used in this video in the description so you guys have a chance to check it out. And in the meantime, if you haven't done so already, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for videos every Sunday. Sometimes I slack, but I'm trying to get back into it. And also I do have an Instagram account, so let's be friends over there as well. I do post a lot of fashion, OOTD, lots of coffee photos if you're into that over there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!